guys, welcome back again to my channel. I have here with you my daughter, HOMESTYLE. She have her own channel up here. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to her channel. A link will be down here. Hit that subscribe, thumbs up her videos, and like as well. I will appreciate it. So we decided that we are going to do a whisper challenge. Right? Yep. So me put on the headphone, she asked me some question, me guess our mouth I say, and vice versa. Yep. So we are going to tag you guys to do this challenge as well. Hope you like it. And you ready, daughter? Ready. Ready like a Freddy. So come, let's go. Right. I'm so happy.
You are so happy.
Yay! Let's switch it up. Let's switch it up. Oh my gosh, I get them two right.
Big wedding. Big wedding.
What's that again?
Big wedding. Big wedding. Big wedding.
Win?
No. Big wedding. Big wedding. Big wedding. Big. Let me read my lips.
Pick me up.
Big wedding.
Be quick.
No, big. Big wedding.
Big wedding.
What?
You're a darling.
Say that again. Manua, yeah, whisper.
Make her get to come up to win.
Say that again.
You're a darling.
Say that again.
You're a darling.
I'm lucky?
No. You're a darling. You're a darling.
My daughter?
No, you don't have no kids.
I have no kids?
You're a darling.
My daughter?
No, you're a darling. You are a darling.
What?
You're a darling. You are a darling.
You are a darling. You are a darling.
Yes, yes.
Oh! I'm a darling?
Yes, my dear.
Oh.
Fix the ear. Okay, my turn. My turn.
Want me out of the camera?
The family.
The vibes. The vibes. The vibes.
Love will find you.
No. The vibes.
The family.
The vibes. The vibes. The vibes.
The fine.
The vibes.
The family.
The vibes.
The vine.
The vibes. Vibes.
The fine. The family. What the hell is the family?
The vibes.
The fan, please.
The vibes.
The fans. The fan, please.
No. The vibes. Vibes. The vibes.
The vine me.
The vibes. Vibes. You quit?
Huh?
The vibes. Vibes.
The run, please.
Yeesh.
The run, please.
The vibes.
The vibes.
Thank you, Lord.
Y'all scream on the ball.
Me hear you, no? Get a scream. Okay.
Something right. Something right. Ready?
Family reunion.
Family reunion.
Yep,
7 Up.
7 Up.
No. Up like 7 Up.
Hump like 7 Up.
Shatif me, no people. Shatif me.
Hump like 7 Up. That's it.
Up like 7 Up.
Hump like 7 Up.
No. I think it is
I like 7 Up.
up like 7 Up. Up like 7 Up.
Up like 7 Up. Hump like 7
No,
Up.
not hump. Not hump.
Hump. Hump like 7 Up.
Up like 7 Up.
Hump like 7
No,
Up.
no hump. Up like 7 Up.
Hop like 7
No,
Up.
not hop. Not hop. Up like 7 Up.
Up like 7 Up. Up like 7 Up.
Up like 7 Up.
Hump. Hump like 7 Up. Hump.
Up like 7 Up.
Up like 7 Up.
Up like 7 Up.
Up. Madam.
Up like 7 Up.
Up. You're bad.
Up like 7 Up.
Up. Up like 7 Up.
Up like 7
You're
Up.
bad. That one was difficult. But how do you think you did?
Horrible.
I think I did pretty good.
I think I did horrible only because I think I got set up.
How
To
you think
set
you got
me
set
up.
How you
Because people, isn't ironic? Oh, when me up on my thing for my ears, you know, it's reverse. But when she up on fair thing for fair ears, she can't hear everything I'm being asked her.
Because she loud. She like,
Because she a general.
Whatever.
That's why. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys love this
challenge. We'll do many more if you have any requests down below.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I hope you had fun with this challenge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that thumbs up. We will appreciate it.
Yes, we will.
Yeah, make sure to
Support the video,
support, and check her YouTube channel out. HOMESTYLE. Okay, her link is right here, so you don't have to search feed. Just click on the link and you'll go straight there.
Yeah, man.
All right. Let her know that How to Cook sent you over there. All right. Let us know also if you want to see us doing more tags like this, and we challenge you guys to do it as well.
Yeah, I want to see it. I love watching videos like this. It's fun.
Yeah, it is fun. It is fun. So, like I said, we love you. Subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time to eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.